This is AI Customer Assistant, a serverless chatbot powered by Amazon Bedrock, Titan G1, and deployed with Terraform. In this demo, we'll ask the chatbot a few natural questions like what is Amazon Prime, how do I return an item, or who is the CEO of Amazon. The chatbot will reply using Titan G1, and all messages will be logged to DynamoDB. The chatbot is hosted on AWS Amplify using a custom domain from Route 53. The question is sent through API gateway to a Lambda function, which then invokes Bedrock's Titan G1. The chatbot responds in real time based on a custom FAQ prompt. Titan G1 also handles general public knowledge if included in the prompt. Okay. So each chat session is automatically logged to DynamoDB. Let's check it out. Refresh this. Okay, there it is. Those are the questions I asked. Okay. And here's the CloudWatch logs. Okay. Cool.